Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. I'm back with another video. Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lizzie and I am a lifestyle, beauty, fashion vlogger. And if you like my content, please do make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification bell down below, okay? Alright guys, so we're back with another video. It's actually, by the title, I've got another Glossybox unboxing for you. It's actually been a while. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing. I don't know whether it was October. I think October or November was my last one, but it's been a while. Oops. Anyways, I've got a Glossybox unboxing for you. So yeah, this one is February and the theme, oh my guys, oh well, that didn't work. I believe the theme is like Valentines. It's got like a Valentine's theme and stuff around it, because obviously it's the month of February. And yeah, we've got a like Valentine theme, so that's what the box looks like. Pretty cool, pretty amazing. That's pretty cool. It's like Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat mixtape, and yeah, it said premium stereo cassette and everything. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's see what we have inside, what goodies we have inside. Ooh, smells nice. So anyways, as you all know, we get this, you know, this little booklet inside. And yeah, so it said Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat Glossybox. So yeah, that's the theme. And it just gives you a little information of all the things that's inside your box, how much they cost and what they're used for and all of that. Let's get right into it. So first things first is this little number, this little bad boy here, and this is Advent Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Yeah, so this is a lip scrub, and yeah, so it's got obviously roses, sweet almond and all of that, and it says it leaves you with super soft kissable lips just in time for Valentine's. Yeah, so it says the key ingredient rose works to buff away dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, youthful lips and all of that. So this actually costs £58. And yes, so this is a 6M and it costs £58. It retails for £68, and this is actually the full size of it. So yeah, next we have this is by Nudelix, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it's a lip and cheek balm, so you can use on your lips and on your cheeks. And obviously I've got it in shade red, and yeah, it said rich in color and glossy in shine. There's a multi-purpose beauty product so that works both for a tinted lip balm and as a natural cream blush. So yeah, this actually retails for £20 and all. Let's just open it up and you guys can see what the pencil looks like. So yeah, so that's what it looks like, and yeah, it retails for £20. And next we have this little number. This is by Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and this is a peach hand cream. So it's an hand cream, pretty good. That's a good size actually. This is 12M, and yes, so obviously this is just to nourish and, you know, smooth hands and everything, and to relieve you from like dry hands from the cold and everything. And this is also full size, and actually this retails for £4.99. And next we've got we've got Steve Laurent. So we've had quite a few Steve Laurent products in Glossybox actually. Yeah, so anyways, this is Steve Laurent, and this is a full size, and this is a total repair lip mask. So we've got a lip mask, and it says lips feeling dry or cracked from cold weather. Steve Laurent's total repair lip mask will bring a burst of hydration to your lips whenever they're in need of a little extra love. So yeah, so this is full size, and this costs £5. It retails for £5 and everything. Can't wait to try that out. It is single use only, obviously. So yeah, next is this little number. This is the last item, and this is a product by Glow on Fifth, and this is also full size. So every product that has been in this box for this month has been full size. And this is a facial massage tool that helps to contour your face and neck to enhance your features. But it says, however, it can also be used to relieve tight muscles. So yeah, so you use this over clean skin for 4 to 6 minutes every day to remove you know, drainage and everything. And it says to increase blood flow and circulation. So yeah, this retails for £10. I'm just gonna open it up so that I can show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So it's just a little massaging tool. So yeah, so it's to help contour your face and your neck, and to help you enhance your features. So yeah, these are pretty cool little numbers in here, and I can't wait to try them all out and, you know, let you guys know my thoughts and everything. And we've actually got a sneak peek for next month. So I'll just show you guys the sneak peek. So this is a mascara actually. So that's the sneak peek for next month. If you guys can see that little number. So yeah, the mascara is actually worth £15.50. So yeah, can't wait for that little mascara. I'm actually in need of a new mascara actually, so that's good. I'll wait for this and see how I feel about it before I go and get my usual mascara. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Also guys, if you guys don't know what Glossybox is, I should have pretty much said this at the beginning of the video, but Glossybox is a monthly prescription box of beauty products that ranges from skincare, hair care, everything like that. And you know, they send it to you, and it costs, I believe, £11 or thereabouts. And yeah, and you pay for shipping as well, and postage is like about £3 or something like that. But yeah, it's a monthly subscription, or you can do a one-off box with them if you want. But yeah, that's what Glossybox is all about. I've been subscribed to them now for I think a year, and I've not regretted it. It's been good getting, you know, products and everything and all of that. You know, and these are products that actually help. Like obviously when you sign up, it asks you, you know, your preferences and your skin tone and everything, and like, you know, your skin type and all of that, so that it can personalize it to you. So each box is sort of personalized to you and everything. There will be items that is obviously general, but there will be products that sometimes generalized to you. So yeah, but it's been a very good subscription for me. I've not regretted subscribing to them, so you guys do give them a try. I have got a code down for you guys below, for a few percentage off, so do make sure to use the code if you do want to try them out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I shall see you in my next video, and yeah, have a lovely day guys. Bye.